Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Acer monitor no signal, input source, cable and GPU fix guide. Fix 1 is check the input source. Turn on your Acer monitor, then press the input or menu button on the monitor. Select the correct input source, then wait a few seconds to see if the display appear. Second one is check the video cable. Turn off the monitor and computer, then unplug the video cable from both devices. Check the cable for damage or bent pins. Plug the cable back in securely. If possible, try a different for HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Third one is restart the computer and monitor. Turn off the computer, turn off the monitor and unplug it power cable for 30 seconds. Then plug it monitor back in and turn it on. Then turn on your computer and check if the signal returns. Fourth one is reset the graphic card. Turn off the PC and unplug the power cable, then open the computer case. Remove the graphic card carefully, reinsert it firmly into the PCI slot. Then tighten the screws, reconnect the power cable and turn on the PC. Last one is test with another device. Connect the Acer monitor to another computer or laptop, then turn the both devices. If the monitor works, the issue is likely with your original computer. If it still shows no signal, the monitor or cable may be the problem. Thanks for watching.